I got these water shoes for my kids, and they've honestly been perfect for all of our summer adventures. They dry super fast thanks to the breathable upper material and the drainage holes on the bottom, which means no more soggy, uncomfortable feet after we are going in lakes and pools and all of the above. The textured rubber sole gives them great grip on wet surfaces, as you can see here on a rock wall. Whether we're at the pool, running around on slippery rocks by the lake, or playing in the backyard sprinkler, I feel so much at ease knowing that they're not going to slip. They also have a soft, cushioned insole that adds comfort and help with shock absorption.
Whoa, well done.
The elastic collar and easy lacing system makes them really simple to get on and off, even for my 7-year-old. We've used them for swimming, boating, beach days, and even quick errands, and they've held up really well. Honestly, they're a must-have for active kids who love to be near the water. They come in a lot of different colors. I actually just ordered my 7-year-old another pair because he's constantly leaving them from one place to another. And every single size that I ordered came in true to size. I want to thank Nortiv 8 for sending us these shoes because we had some YouTube videos to film and these came in perfect for them. I grabbed these Nortiv 8 water shoes for a recent trip, well, lots of trips, and they honestly impressed me way more than expected. They fit true to size. I ordered a size 8. First of all, they're incredibly comfortable, lightweight and stretchy, like wearing socks, but with way more support because I was able to walk over rocks without any issue. The insole is cushioned and actually gives some arch support, which is really hard to find in water shoes. The rubber sole is super grippy, so even on these slippery rocks, I never felt like I was going to slip. I've walked on slick rocks with these, wet boat decks. There are also drainage holes at the bottom that let the water flow right out. It helps them dry super fast and keeps your feet from feeling soggy. I even went rock climbing and fell into water with these, which made it perfect because I was able to wear closed-toed shoes and get them wet, and they dried off very quickly. Getting them on and off is super easy thanks to the elastic neck and adjustable bungee laces. You don't have to lace anything up. You can tighten or loosen them in seconds. These are the men's Nortiv 8 water shoes. Now, I've already done a review for the women's that I wore, and I'm going to show you a little bit of that video at the end. And then the kids all got a pair of these water shoes, and they've all been fantastic. The design is the same on all of them. Some of them have a Velcro where the tab can buckle to it. Some of them don't. You just tuck it underneath. They have these rubber soles that are incredible. When you walk over rocks, you can't even feel it. It's got a little bit of a cushioned insole inside, so there's some good arch support. And then they are so easy to dry. They dry off really good. We've washed them because we took them to a dirty lake one time, and they are still in great condition. They've got holes on the bottom for draining, and it's really cool because you can take the insole out and see where exactly they drain. My husband hasn't taken them on all the adventures that we have because he is still repairing his Achilles, but I'm going to show you some of our adventures that we did with our water shoes. This is one of the best brands for the best quality and price. Highly recommend these water shoes.